In the 16th century, the mighty Mughal Emperor Akbar sought to expand his empire across the Indian subcontinent. His ambitions led him to the formidable fortress of Chittorgarh, ruled by the valiant Maharana Uday Singh. The impending clash between the Mughals and the Rajputs would become a defining moment in the history of medieval India. The siege of Chittorgarh began in 1567 when Akbar's forces surrounded the impregnable fortress, determined to bring it under Mughal control. The defenders of Chittorgarh, led by the courageous Maharana Uday Singh, put up a fierce resistance, displaying unparalleled valor in the face of a formidable adversary. Months passed, and the siege wore on. The Mughals, with their superior numbers and the advanced weaponry, pressed hard against the resilient walls of Chittorgarh. Despite the Rajputs' unwavering defense, the fortress was slowly succumbing to the relentless onslaught. In Chittorgarh, Rani Padmini, the queen known for her beauty and wisdom, observed the dire situation. Understanding the imminent fall of the fortress and the potential consequences, she made a courageous decision. Rani Padmini, along with the other women of Chittorgarh, resolved to perform the ancient ritual of Johar, a sacrificial act where they would embrace death by self-immolation rather than face dishonor at the hands of the Mughal forces. As the Mughals closed in, the women of Chittorgarh, adorned in their finest attire, walked toward a massive pyre. Rani Padmini, with a stoic expression, led the procession, her resolve unwavering. Flames of Johar consumed them, and the echoes of their sacrifice reverberated through the fortress. Emperor Akbar, upon learning of this tragic event, was said to have been deeply moved. The siege of Chittorgarh became a pivotal moment in Akbar's conquest. While the Mughals celebrated victory, the haunting memory of the Johar lingered, symbolizing the clash of culture, the resilience of the Rajputs, and the sacrifices made in the pursuit of honor. The siege of Chittorgarh, as chronicled in the Akbar Nama, remains a poignant chapter in Indian history, reflecting the complex tapestry of power, resistance, and cultural clashes that defined the era.